Here we go. 2 Signacuts Platinums for mnum. Oh, I keep forgetting they have the stickers. First one, Billy Williams, Rookie of the Year in '61, Hall of Fame in '87. His number's retired. Billy Williams, number 3 of 5. Let me make sure there's nothing on the back. Okay, it's a single. Sometimes these things pop up. It's kind of frustrating, but they go right back down. What's it say? Did he sign it twice, or? I don't know what the top says. That's different. It almost looks like it's 2 different autographs. Can't read it really. Huh. Another Hall of Famer. Alright, here we go. Best always. Phew. Steve Carlton, numbered 5 of 5, Hall of Famer, 1994. 4 Cy Young Awards. 4 Cy Youngs, numbered 5 of 5, Steve Carlton. Another stud pitcher. Very nice. mnum, there you have it, sir.